Hello guys, so we will start a new video today regarding the adjusting the setting of crosshair. The crosshair we have, you can see my crosshair here, it's like white and small. Also, if you can see when I draw a line, the grip vertex point is very small. See here you have it, so we have to adjust it. So let's start. Simply we have to go to right click in the here. We just click right click in the mouse and select the option. You will see this window. And for example, we can go to display color from here, then to 2D model space, go to crosshair and change it any color you like, or you can change it from this box. There is so many colors, true colors, and like random color you select, or otherwise you can just click on here. You can see when I change it to red, here the review has been changed to red, and this setting, it will make it easy to work with the AutoCAD. So I like the 3D mode, which is the green with red. So I'll just click on this one. So I ignore the color boxes. I just came here and click on, I check this box, stands for XYZ, click on it and apply close, right? Then the size of crosshair, it's from here. I would love to work with a crosshair, a big one, so I just keep it like, for example, 60, 55. Here I keep for like example 30, 30, or you can put from here also, you can increase it, right? So you can increase these things. Let's put 10, we'll check apply and okay. You can see our new crosshair like this. So still we have to adjust the small peak box inside the middle of the crosshair. Also right click, go to option. From option you have to go to selection. Then here is the big box size. You can adjust bigger. That will make it easier to you. Here is the grip point. Also, we can make it bigger like in the middle. Also, if you would like to change the color from here, but I will keep the color as standard blue. I'll keep it in the middle. Then apply. I will see the drafting, for example. The drafting here, the auto snap marker says. This is just the auto snap. Also, I keep it a little bit bigger, so that make it like easy for us. And the appetizer size also I'll make it bigger. Then apply. Let's see what we have. I think like this, it's more than enough. Apply, then okay. You can see how I change the crosshair size. Now, for example, if I draw a line, right, you can see here is the line. When I select the line, you can see the grip point, which is the vertex point. This one is like bigger and easy to select. Also, if I would like to draw another line from the midpoint, you can see the triangle, it's the symbol of the midpoint. It's also very clear, and like you can snap the point even further away from the actual point. If I click here, it's outside of the point, but you can see that the snap object, it simply will help you. Let's do it again. So it's simple, will snap. See this video, this was all everything about the crosshair settings, and also make sure to turn on this snap object. We'll check these necessary boxes here, like the endpoint, midpoint, center, geometry center, and etc. This is like really making your life easy when you're working in the AutoCAD, and easy for snap. Also, like example, if you would like to draw a center circle here, so simply you can check the vertex also are big. So this was the video regarding the crosshair setting, and thank you so much.